Howdy, howdy, it's Trisha Lee in Alberta, Canada, and I'm making this video for you today for day 9 of Oprah and Deepak's 21-day meditation experience. And day 9 is called Changing Your Personal Reality. And the centering thought for day 9 was my personal reality begins inside of me. And so I think the point Oprah and Deepak were trying to make is that we are the masters of our own destiny, and with the power of meditation and with conscious awareness, we can create whatever reality that we are seeking and manifest all the grace that we want to have in our lives. So the Sanskrit mantra for day 9 was Om Harim. And it means I am the reality that unifies diversity. So that's pretty powerful. The reality that unifies diversity. So we all have different experiences, and we all have different strengths and weaknesses, and through the power of meditation and manifestation, we can create our own reality, and it will be very diverse and unique because each and every person is unique, and there's a lot of diversity within the universe. So we can manifest all the experiences that we want, all the relationships that we want, and using meditation, just have the body and mind that we want to be shaped in the way that we want through our reality. So that's my video. Thanks for watching. Go out there and make it a great day. And I want everybody to know that I'm a firm believer that in this life, absolutely anybody can be, do, and have anything, or we can have everything, and I choose everything, and I hope you will too, because you can. So ask me how, and if I don't see you in the future, I'll see you out there in the pasture. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye. Goodbye, horses.